This video shows how to create your own materials, including images and photographs. In the main menu across the screen, click Material, and when the sub-menu opens, click Material one more time. Enter the type of material you are creating. In the open form, enter the material name and its type: sheet, solid, object, or other. Then enter the size of material you will use. The best practice is to make it the same as the board on which it will be used, or the actual size, like a TV, for example. Select a grain direction. Don't concern yourself too much with that. It can always be adjusted at the board level. In this case, the results are disappointing. What is wrong? Two things. The grain direction of the board does not match that of the material. The second is that the board is too big and is causing tiling. These are easy fixes. For grain direction, select the board and click Orientation at the right of the screen. Change the grain direction. For the second item, drag the red dots to change the size of the image so it fits the board. You may need to experiment with grain directions and size, but it isn't that complicated and you will have it in no time. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn more about Sketchlist 3D. More information and a link to a free trial are available at www.sketchlist.com. Good woodworking.